Hello everyone. In this video we will discuss new topic of class 11th physics, chapter 13, kinetic theory of gases, and this is the most important law for this chapter. This is known as law of equipartition of energy. So equipartition means equal part के अंदर किसी चीज़ को डिवाइड कर देना, of energy this means energy को डिवाइड करना. So Maxwell states that द एनर्जी एसोसिएटेड विद ईच डिग्री ऑफ फ्रीडम, बिकॉज इससे प्रीवियस लेक्चर में हमने डिग्री ऑफ फ्रीडम डिस्कस किया था. द एनर्जी एसोसिएटेड विद ईच डिग्री ऑफ फ्रीडम ऑफ एनी मॉलिक्यूल्स ऑफ ए गैस इज हाफ के टी. दिस मीन्स किसी भी गैस के लिए हर एक डिग्री ऑफ फ्रीडम के एसोसिएटेड जो एवरेज काइनेटिक एनर्जी होती है वो क्या होती है, हाफ के टी होती है. एक सिंगल मॉलिक्यूल्स है उसका हर एक डिग्री ऑफ फ्रीडम के लिए जो एनर्जी एसोसिएट होगी वो कितना होगी, हाफ के टी होगी. अगर गैस के पास हमारा टोटल डिग्री ऑफ फ्रीडम कितना हो, स्मॉल एफ हो, देन एनर्जी टोटल कितना हो जाएगी, 1/2 एफ के टी. So this is the law of equipartition of energy. Next is specific heat in terms of degree of freedom. So as we know that we have two types of specific heat. First is specific heat at constant volume. And the formula of specific heat at constant volume in terms of degree of freedom, Cv is equals to Fr/2, where F is degree of freedom, R is universal gas constant, and clear. Next is specific heat at constant pressure. So we know that what is the specific heat at constant pressure, the amount of heat required to increase the temperature of a substance of an ideal gas, ठीक है, through 1 degree Celsius at constant pressure is known as specific heat at constant pressure. Specific heat at constant pressure, and it is denoted by Cp, and Cp is equals to F/2 plus 1 into R. This is the value of specific heat at constant pressure. Here we define a new variables. This is known as gamma, where gamma is nothing. Gamma is simply the ratio of specific heat at constant pressure and specific heat at constant volume. So specific heat at constant pressure is F/2 plus 1 into R, and at constant volume is Fr/2. So by solving it, gamma is equals to, we can say that gamma is equals to 1 plus 2 by F. This is the value of gamma, and by putting the value of small f, this means degree of freedom, for monatomic, diatomic and triatomic gas, we can calculate the value of gamma for monatomic, diatomic and triatomic. So for monoatomic gas, we know that the value of degree of freedom is 3, so the value of gamma is 5/3. And for diatomic gas, the value of degree of freedom is 5, so the value of diatomic gas gamma is equals to 7/5. And the value of for triatomic gas, as we know that triatomic gas have 6 degree of freedom, so the value of this is 4/3. Done. So this is the value of ratio of specific heat or at constant pressure and specific heat at constant volume for an ideal gas. Clear? Thank you so much.